Are you looking today's self-care market? The demand for back lotion applicators is rapidly rising. Whether you're applying sunscreen at the beach or moisturizer after a shower, reaching your back can be tricky. This guide breaks down the best back lotion applicators available, analyzing ease of use, durability, comfort, pad material, and value for money. Perfect for individuals living alone, seniors, or anyone who wants a smoother skincare routine. List No. Lotion applicator for back, sunblock and sunscreen application roller. This lotion applicator uses a rollerball design to apply creams, moisturizers, ointments, or sunscreen smoothly. The head features multiple rolling balls that glide across your skin, providing even distribution without waste. It's particularly ideal for sunblock users, as it avoids messy hands and delivers precise coverage. The long handle ensures you reach every inch of your back comfortably. The plastic build feels sturdy and cleans easily. Best of all, it doubles as a gentle massager while applying lotion, making your skincare routine both effective and relaxing. Great for travel and daily use. List No. Amazer Bath Lotion Applicator for back, feet, 4 replacement pads, 17-inch curved handle. The Amazer Bath Lotion Applicator features a 17-inch ergonomic curved handle and 4 replacement foam pads, allowing for hygienic, long-term use. The soft, dense sponge distributes lotion evenly and gently, making it perfect for sensitive skin and daily moisturizing. It excels for elderly users or children due to its light, curved design that makes reaching the back or feet easy and strain-free. The pads are easy to remove, wash, and replace, which adds to the convenience. It's versatile enough to apply sunscreen, foot cream, and even medicinal ointments. List No. Back Lotion Applicator with 4 replaceable pads. Great for self-use and elderly. This back lotion applicator is all about simplicity and comfort. With 4 replaceable sponge pads, it's perfect for anyone who struggles to apply creams to hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight, textured handle offers a secure grip, especially for seniors or users with mobility limitations. The applicator's pad holds lotion well, ensuring thorough coverage without excessive waste. Ideal for self-use, this tool is a game-changer for post-shower moisturizing or applying medicated ointments. It's also affordable and highly portable, making it a great travel companion. List No. Slick Lotion Applicator 17-inch, certified organic. The Slick Lotion Applicator is a premium option designed with both sustainability and comfort in mind. The 17-inch handle is easy to grip and curved for ergonomic use. What sets this apart is the certified organic, plant-based pad, which is reusable and gentle on sensitive skin. It glides smoothly and evenly applies lotion, oils, and creams. This applicator is BPA-free and eco-friendly, aligning with a more conscious lifestyle. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes it super easy to clean. Great for those who want a sleek, minimal design with high-quality performance. List No. 5 Back Lotion Applicators Back Buddy Self Applicator. The Back Buddy Lotion Applicator delivers on its promise of self-sufficiency. Designed to make back care effortless, this applicator features a flexible and contoured handle that adjusts with your body movement. Its extra-wide pad covers a larger area, reducing the time it takes to apply lotion. It's perfect for thicker creams, thanks to its dense pad material. Great for elderly, disabled individuals, or anyone living alone. It's also dishwasher safe, and the pad is long-lasting, making it a low-maintenance yet durable choice for everyday use.